Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey girl, what's poppin'? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Excuse my hair right now, but you guys have been loving the hair videos, and a few people have been asking me to do some natural hair videos, so I'm just going to be putting my hair in a slick back ponytail. I just washed it, so it's freshly washed. My hair dries like really fast. Like I literally just washed it, and I use this is the conditioner, but I use this shampoo and conditioner on my hair. Please excuse the background noise if you hear anything. That's my dog walking around. But now, like if you know me, you know I don't usually like wearing my hair natural for real, but it's gonna have to work because I need something done to my head. So I'm just gonna be taking some what is this, some conditioner, and just putting it all through my hair for some moisture. Have been asking me to do natural hair videos, and I was a little skeptical about it because I don't usually wear my natural hair unless it's straight. And when I was younger and in high school and stuff, I would wear like my natural styles, which is like bantu knots, twists, things like that. But now that I'm older, I feel like that is kind of childish. So yeah, so now I'm gonna brush it out with the famous detangling brush, and just comb it out. I combed it out already before, well, after I washed it, but I'm just gonna comb it out some more because to get the kinks out. My dog is like literally sitting right here in my face. Yes, Seiko. How may I help you? And if you know me, you know that I'm very tender-headed. Like I don't like nobody touching my hair. Seiko, lay your butt down. You're sleepy. You know you are. So like I said, I'm just going to show you guys what I do. Hopefully I get it. You just want to be in the mix so bad. Wait, like I don't understand it. And I even brought my brush, my water thing, just in case my hair gets a little too dry. And you could get these at your local beauty supply store. This one came from Sally's. Don't go to Sally's, it's overpriced. That's all I'm gonna say. Overpriced. But Seiko, I need you to move. What? Like, this is He will literally sit here and just... Okay, y'all, where's my brush? So I have my handy dandy brush, and I'll just brush it back, trying to get it as smooth as possible. You are sleepy. Go over there and lay down. Go lay down. Go ahead, go ahead. Go lay down. This dog. Brush it back. And when I really wanted a slick ponytail, I would literally go like do half. I think I'm gonna do that. Do half. I don't want this video to be too long. Do half of it, and then, you know, gel half of it down so I can get it like real slick. So I think I'm gonna do that now. I don't want this video no more than 15 minutes. Not even that. So of course I'm gonna grab my handy dandy eco gel. My brush, dip it in the gel because I got nails, so I don't really want it to get in my nails. So I brush. Let me turn around. So I brush it like this. And no, your part does not have to be perfect. You just have to get it slicked down. Like so, like that. Like that. Then you grab one of your ponytail holders and you just tie it down. Super simple. Now I'm gonna do the top. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. Like I said, I'm going to do a no part ponytail. So it's not gonna have any parts, which is my forehead pretty big. So I'm gonna see how this works. I'm really trying to see how it's gonna turn out. So you do the same thing. You just brush it back. I'm trying to take some edges out. Take some edges out. Seiko. This dude. Yeah, I'm looking at you. Have a seat. So you just brush it back and then it'll come all into the rest of the ponytail. get your other ponytail holder. And make sure you're grabbing all the hair, even from this ponytail back here. And like I said, I have my edges out already. So I get my edge brush. I don't know where I got, you can get it from the beauty supply store. Going with my Eco Style gel. And you just get your gel and swoop your edges. That's it. I don't even have no mirror in front of me either. So I'm doing this looking in the camera. See? Like so, like that. I feel like these are like really, like I said, I've never done a no part ponytail, bun, whatever you want to call it. I've always had a middle part, side part. Then you go on with the other side. And I just wanted to do this quick video for you guys because I told you I would be doing more and more content. So you just swoop, swoop, swoop. And then that's it. Then you take this little piece. I don't have no mirror in front of me, so I can't really see how this is doing. But that's how you have it. And some people, they like to tie, I mean not tie, but make it into a bun or whatever. But like I said, please excuse the background noise. My dog is tripping. You just swoop. And there you have it, a no part bun ponytail, slick back ponytail. This is what it's giving. This is what it's giving, okay. Let me show y'all, get up close real quick. And yeah, that's it. Now I know y'all be seeing a more Jada, one of my favorite YouTubers, wear her ponytails like this. But yeah. Okay guys, there you have it, a sleek back ponytail, no part ponytail. I do like these, but my forehead is just too big not to have a part. So I don't know if I'm ever gonna do this again, but you guys wanted to see, you know, how I wear my natural hair and what I do to keep it intact or maintain it. Like I said, I use this brand of conditioner and conditioner and shampoo, and then I use the Eco Styler gel and a brush, edge brush, and some water. That's it. Now for the back part, I usually just let it dry and I wear it like as a puff, but sometimes I do wear it as a bun. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, I'm coming back to back with the videos, so don't be coming for me in the comments talking about some where you been, da da da. Sis, I'm here and I'm here to stay, okay? Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, stay updated with me, because I am about to bring my business back up, and make sure you guys are staying connected with me. Of course, when my business is launched and everything, you guys will know ahead of time the launch date and all of those things. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.